Hey guys, where do you keep your jewelry? In a jewelry box like this? Or maybe on a jewelry stand like this? Well, you know what today's video is about? Jewelry. So we're going to talk about it when we come back. Okay? Okay. Hey, happy Monday. And I hope everyone had a great Mother's Day yesterday. And welcome to Style with Power, the channel that helps empower men through style. And if you're into videos that talks about empowerment, that talks about style, that talks about fashion, that talks about mindset, well, this is the channel for you. So if this is your first time here, just go right down to the bottom, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know every time we upload a video. Well, let me tell you, some years ago I did a video on how men should wear jewelry. And you know what? Let's take a look down memory lane, take a look at that video, and when we come back, I'm going to show you how I've updated that video and what I wear today. Okay, as you can see here, these are the accessories that a man would wear on his hand for everyday wear. As you can see, we have the silver on one side and we have the gold accessories on the other. Included here are the watches. We have rings for the ring finger. We have rings for the pinky finger. We also have bracelets that goes on the wrist. And of course, we have cufflinks that goes into the shirt. Now, these accessories will also match the accessory on your belt buckle. So if you're wearing silver that day, your belt buckle should also be silver. Or if you're wearing gold that day, your belt buckle should also be gold. Now I'm just going to show you how it looks on the hand. First, I'll show you a hand that is without any accessories, and then I'll show you how to put it on and how to wear it. So as you can see, this is my hands with nothing on it. No cufflinks in there, nothing on the hands. But you also want to make sure that your hands are well groomed. Accessories. Okay, so here we are with the accessories, and what we're going to do is we're going to start with the ring finger, and this is the ring finger on the left hand. Because I am married, I always wear my wedding ring on, of course, the left hand ring finger. And there you go. So every morning, this is what I put on first, my left hand ring finger. And then of course I put on my silver watch to match. And this is normally how your left hand should look. A watch and the ring, and now you have a sense of style and a sense of elegance. It doesn't look gaudy, it looks very nice and pleasing. I know some people like to wear a lot of different rings. They'll put a ring here, they'll throw a ring on the pinky finger. I've seen people throw a ring on the pointer finger, and then you're walking around and you got all these different rings on, and that looks a little bit gaudy. It doesn't really look good. It's a little bit gaudy. All right. So you definitely don't want to do that. You definitely just want to have your nice watch and your nice ring. If you're married, your married ring will go there. Now, if you're not married, you can get yourself a nice ring finger. So if I wasn't married, I would probably wear this ring every day. Nice ring, has little diamonds in it, right, to go with my watch, and that's pretty nice. So that's your left hand right there. That should be your left hand. Now, for your right hand, what I usually do on the right hand is that sometimes I throw on the pinky ring on the right hand. So now I have one watch, one ring on the left hand, and then a pinky ring on the right hand. And along with the pinky ring, I may just throw on my little bracelet here, so that I have the bracelet, and the pinky ring. I have my watch and the ring finger. Usually my wedding ring. Put my wedding ring back on, and there you go. That's my wedding ring. So sometime I'll have that look there. This is the right hand, and this is the left hand, and that's pretty nice. That's nice, elegant, stylish. So a ring, a bracelet, a watch, and my wedding band. Sometimes I don't wear the bracelet, sometimes I may just wear the ring alone. Okay? Now to set the whole thing off, I then throw on my cufflinks. These cufflinks, little diamonds in the cufflinks. And there you have it. So that's how that would look. My ring has little diamonds in it. My watch, my cufflinks with little diamonds in it. And that looks nice and elegant, nice and stylish. And that's what you want to do. You don't want to do too much. That's nice. My belt buckle will go with this look, with the silver belt buckle. And I'm good to go. All right, now let's look at it with the gold pieces. So with the gold, once again, I have my gold wedding ring with little diamonds in it, and my watch here with a little diamond on top. So that matches nicely. And then I went out and got me the cufflinks with the emblem of my name, the letter of my name, little diamonds around it. So little diamonds here, little diamond here, little diamond in there, and that looks really, really nice together. And that goes very, very nice. And this is on my left hand here. And then on my right hand, I have a little pinky ring with diamond, and then I'll throw on my bracelet that will go with that, which has a nice diamond cut in it. It doesn't have diamonds in it, but it has that diamond cut. So sometime in the light, it can look like you have little diamonds in it. So it gives it a nice look. So there you have it, the gold. I have a little cufflink here. And I have my other cufflink will be on this side. My other cufflink there, and that would be on my right hand. Now, if you like to have a little more conservative look, you can get just a nice gold cufflink, and it'll be a little bit more conservative. And if you don't feel like wearing the pinky ring, you can just have the bracelet on. That'd be nice. Sometimes I just wear the bracelet. Sometimes I just have the pinky ring by itself. All right? So that you don't have to, if you want to be a little more conservative. So there you have it. That's the gold. The other one was the silver. And there you have it. Hey, so that was fantastic. But what I wanted to show is that, hey, you don't have to be gaudy with the way that you wear jewelry. You should wear it classy. You should wear it stylish. You know, you should wear it with elegance. And what I'm going to do now is show you some of my updated pieces that I wear, because you know what's big now? The bead game is in. So I wear these beautiful beads, and I've made contact with an outstanding company and a young lady who makes these. It's called Eccentric Elements, and she does a fantastic job. I'm going to show you some of her work, and then I'm going to give you her information, and I'm also going to show you some other things that I think you should think about when it comes down to wearing jewelry. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the pieces that I've gotten. So I usually like to wear it with a beautiful watch, and I received this beautiful watch right here, beautiful color, purple, and she made a great bead combination to go with that. So you see how that looks there. So I usually wear the watch and one set of beads on one hand, and then on the other side, on my other hand, I'll wear this one. So this is a beautiful combination here. I just love this. This is great looking here. And then every now and then I can throw these beads on, and it's a little lighter color, but this also goes with that combination there. So that's fantastic. So this one I love here. This is a nice wooden watch. These are fantastic. These are great. Probably gonna pick up a few more of these. This is really, really nice. And so she made these beads to go along with it. So as you can see, kind of fits there really, really nice. So I'll have these two on one side, and then I'll have this one. No matter of fact, I'll have these two on. I'll wear these two together, As you can see, that goes, they both wood, that goes together greatly. And then I'll wear this one, more of a little bling, on the other side. So that's really nice also. So I like that. And then the last combination I'm going to show you, it's a nice black metallic colored watch here. And what I'll do is I'll throw this on with it. Some nice bling on that. I'll throw that on one side. And then I'll wear this one on the other hand. And these go fantastic. It just looks really, really good. So those are some of the combinations. That's what I wear now. This is the last one I'll show you. I'm wearing this one now. Beautiful color here. It's like a Cordovan wine color. And she made this one to go with it. Nice color beads. And then on the other side, I'll wear this. And then I'll throw on the ring on the pinky. Go with that. So that looks great. So those are just some of the combinations. Some of you may see I love red. It goes with my logo. So I bought some red glasses to go with this one. And then this is a white one, really nice. And I have some white frame glasses to go with this. So as you can see, I'm kind of big into accessories, right? So that came out really, really nice. And then the last thing is that with this watch combination, I have a chain. I don't wear too many chains, but then I have a chain to go with it. So I'll throw the chain on, and all of these go together. So that's great. So there you have it. That's just an updated version of how men should wear jewelry and some of the updated styles that you can wear. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to go down to the bottom of the screen and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know every time we upload a video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description so you know where to get one of these jewelry boxes. It's great. I can put my watches in here. It also has a little drawer where I can put my rings and my cufflinks there. Hope that you can see that. And then I'll also tell you where you can get one of these. I mean, this is pretty basic. You can go get this at any beauty store if you want to get those, but I'll put a link in the description for that also. All right, so thanks a lot. I hope that everyone enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for the like. And any comments you need to make, just throw them at me. I have a bunch of comments from the old videos that I did, so hopefully I get some up to date and some new comments now. All right, have yourself a great week, and I'll see you guys next Monday.